Hey everyone, the QIDI Q2 is a compact yet highly capable 3D printer that redefines what users can expect from an entry-level machine. Introduced at a price of $499, it is positioned to attract beginners who want a smooth introduction to 3D printing, while still delivering the level of performance and versatility that more experienced makers demand. One of the most impressive aspects of the QIDI Q2 is its approach to leveling, a process that often frustrates newcomers and even seasoned users. Instead of relying on traditional bed leveling systems that require manual calibration and can easily fall out of alignment, QIDI has introduced a unique nozzle-as-sensor design. By positioning the sensor directly above the nozzle, the printer eliminates the need for calibration offsets and compensates for vibrations or surface inconsistencies. Despite its accessible price point, the QIDI Q2 is built with the kind of professional-grade components usually found in higher-end machines. The Core XY all-metal frame provides exceptional rigidity, reducing vibrations and improving precision. Industrial-grade linear rails lower maintenance needs and ensure smoother motion, while the specialized 1.5 GT high-density timing belt system maintains accuracy even during complex or long-duration prints. The printer's material compatibility further enhances its appeal. With support for the QIDI Box multicolor system, users can load up to 4 spools at once and achieve prints with as many as 16 different colors, unlocking a level of creative freedom rarely seen in entry-level machines. For those working with engineering-grade materials, the QIDI Q2 takes things a step further. Its second-generation heated chamber improves adhesion for demanding filaments such as ABS, PC, and PA, while the ceramic throat in 370 degrees Celsius hotend enable clog-free extrusion of high-temperature materials, including PPS-CF. This capability places the Q2 in category well beyond a typical starter printer, giving it the power to handle professional-grade tasks while remaining user-friendly enough for hobby use. In terms of form factor, the Q2 is thoughtfully designed for residential and small workshop environments. Compared to the Q1 Pro, it offers 30% more build capacity while reducing its footprint by 20%, striking an ideal balance between print volume and space efficiency. This makes it suitable for users who want to experiment with larger or more complex designs without dedicating excessive space to their setup. QIDI has also placed significant emphasis on safety, a factor that is becoming increasingly important as 3D printers find their way into homes and schools. The Q2 is equipped with a triple-layer filtration system that includes an H12 HEPA filter, a G3 pre-filter, and an activated carbon layer, effectively reducing odors and trapping fine particles released during printing. Looking toward the future, QIDI is preparing to expand the printer's ecosystem with new software and hardware enhancements. A dedicated online platform will soon allow remote slicing, real-time monitoring, and seamless one-click print submission, extending convenience to both beginners and advanced users. Overall, the QIDI Q2 is more than just an affordable entry point into 3D printing. It is a feature-rich, forward-looking machine that bridges the gap between hobbyist convenience and professional performance. It delivers ease of use for those starting with basic PLA prints, while offering the durability and versatility needed to handle advanced composites and demanding engineering materials. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment. Have a nice day, and God bless you.